Down. Arthur. Where's Arthur? Where's Arthur? Can you see him? Where's Arthur? Where's Arthur? Yeah, you're looking for him, aren't you? We're all going to send this tape to him. Yeah, we are. We are. Come here. Sit. Jump. Good dog. Jump. 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 Up. Come on. Jump. Jump. Diego. Jump. Jump. Jump, jump, jump. Come on. Do it again. Come on. Come on. Ah, good dog. Good dog. Okay. Down. Down. Good dog. Sit. 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 Paw. 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 Good dog. Stay. Good dog. Good dog. Stay. Hey. Good boy. Arthur? Where's Arthur? 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 Where's Arthur? Where's Arthur? Arthur? See, he remembers. So here we are, walking on the Edgewood Trail. Some of us using 4 feet, some of us using only 2.
It's a beautiful day. It's about 60 degrees. The sun is out. Grass is growing because we've had rain recently. It looks really beautiful. Turn around.
Hey boy.
Like, what am I doing?
Hey dog.
I'm gonna pee now.
That's right.
Look up at the camera.
Diego.
Okay.
All right,
Diego.
let's go. Diego's not happy if he's not out in front. Which I'm told is not a good sign.
Diego, come on this way. Come on.
There are some big trees here that they chopped down sometime in the last few months. A couple there and one off in the background.
It smells like sawdust today.
Yes, it does. Diego, come here. Come here, boy. Come here. Come here, Diego. Come here. Good dog. Hey, Diego.
Diego. Diego.
Diego.
Puppy. Diego. Hey. Come on. Uh-oh.
Good dog.
Hello. Get down. Sit and I'll pet you.
Come here, boy. Good dog. Come here, boy. Diego. Come here. Come here. Come here, boy. He says, I'm tired of running.
Come on, Diego. Good boy. Good dog. Good dog.
You were running off to see that other dog, weren't you? Where's the dog? This way.
Come on, Diego.
Hey, boy. Come here. Come here.
Hey. Yeah.
Good dog. Good dog.
Good dog.
Good dog. Yeah, good boy. Good boy.
Come on, Diego.
Hey, boy. Come here. Come here.
Hey. Yeah.
Good dog. Good dog.
Good dog.
Good dog. Yeah, good boy. Good boy. How you doing?